Good morning, student. Welcome back of today's GK class. This class is based for class 3rd student, and this is a next part of chapter 2. That means second part of this chapter. In first part of I already discussed from page number 13 to page number 15. Today we are going to discuss from page number 16. So let's start. In this page there are so many fruits. As we know that good for health, all the fruits are good for health, and all the fruits have different types of vitamins, different and vegetables also have different types of vitamins, proteins. Okay, so and we know that fruit or fresh fruits and vegetables are good for health and tasty to eat. Some are tasty but some are sour. All the fruits and vegetables have different taste. Okay, some are spicy. Okay, so here are some delicious fruit or vegetables, or here are the pictures of some delicious fruits or vegetables. Okay, you have what you have to do. You have to do first, you have to identify the picture of this fruit or picture of this vegetable, and from the help of these uh, jumble letter, you have to write the correct spelling of that fruits in this given boxes. Okay, of all the fruits. So one of them I solve it, and rest of them you have to solve own self. Okay, the picture of first fruit is, what is the picture of this is kaddu. Okay, and what is the English word, that is pumpkin. Okay, so here you write pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Okay, in the same way, next is, what is this? This is a strawberry. It's another type of fruit. Okay, and this vegetable. Okay, so what is the name of this fruit? Is strawberry. What's the name of this fruit? Is strawberry. And the what is the spelling of that? STRAWBARRY. It means strawberry. Okay, now I am only going to read what the name of that fruit. Okay, you have to write the spelling of that fruit in given boxes. So what is the name of this fruit? Is pomegranate. Okay, now this vegetable, what is the name of this vegetable? Is broccoli. What is broccoli? And the next is fig. Okay, the next is turnip. What is turnip? I know you all have know the name of this fruit. Okay, what is the name of this fruit? Is kiwi. And this is lychee. Okay, in a summer season, I think June, we found lot of lychee in shopkeepers, fruit sellers. Okay, and the last one is, what is capsicum. Okay, so you have to write the spelling of all these fruits in the given boxes. Okay, now we come to the next topic. The next topic of this chapter is flower puzzle. Okay, so we know that flowers are very beautiful and colorful also. So every flower have different color, and the creation of that flower is also too different, and the smell of that flower is also different with each other. That's why all the living men and women, also the child, grandfather, all the living organ like the flower. Okay, flower. The use of flower is also very important. So here are the exercise related to flower puzzles. Okay, here are the some boxes, across like this and downward like this. Okay, across we also called row. Okay, so in row column, first of all you have to identify the name of that picture. Only the row column fill the spelling of these flower, and on the downward column you have to identify the picture of these flowers and write down the here. Okay, in downward column. So some of them I think almost I have completed. Okay, so just what is this? The first one is, what is this? This is rose. Rose मतलब गुलाब का फूल. So here you write ROSE, rose. Okay, I think there's little confusion about the numbering of the flowers. So this is 1, this is 2, 3 and 4. Same here, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now there is no any confusion regarding the number of the flowers. Okay, so complete it own self. Next topic of this chapter is food item. Okay, here are the two types of questions. One, you have to take the given box whether it these items come from the plant. If these fruits, yeah, or these items come from plant, then you have to tick the right, and if not then you have make a cross. Okay, so one by one we discuss. So here ice cream, or ice cream, milk, or and laddu, all these are come from where? Not from plant. So in this box make a cross mark. Okay, the next one is all the fruits are come from plant. So in this box we have tick a right mark. Now the next, that is eggs. Eggs comes from the hen. Okay, so eggs are not come from a plant, so in this box we make a cross mark. Okay, and the last, here are the pictures of different types of vegetables. So we know that the vegetables are come from where? So plant. That, so make a right mark in this box. So what is the purpose of giving this question? Here the purpose of giving this question is to identify you whether it come from plant or it come from uh, man made or any other. Okay, so this is good question. So come next, what are we? Write the answer. Okay, here are four questions. Here are the clue of the regarding these questions, and you have to find the name of that. Okay, what we called. Okay, so start, we complete this chapter. So the first one is, there is water in my name but I am a fruit. So what is this? मतलब मेरे नाम में वाटर लगा हुआ है लेकिन मैं क्या हूँ? एक फल हूँ. So what is this? This is watermelon. Okay, in Hindi we call tarbooj. Okay, what we call tarbooj. Now the next, I bring tear in your eyes, but your mother must have me in the house to cook food. It means कि मैं आपके आँखों में आंसू लाता हूँ, लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी आपकी मम्मी मुझे खाना बनाने के लिए किचन में यूज़ करती हैं. So what is this? This is onion. Okay? Next is, take the name of a tree and join it with the name of a fruit. What fruit I am? It means कि किसी पेड़ का एक नाम लीजिए और कोई एक फ्रूट का नाम लीजिए और दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दीजिए एक साथ. सो ऐसा कौन सा निकलेगा पेड़, आपको ये बताना है कौन सा फ्रूट निकलेगा. सो द आंसर इज व्हाट इज पाइन एप्पल. ओके, व्हाट इज पाइन apple. Okay, the next is, they call me a flower but I am a vegetable. Means लोग मुझे फ्लावर के नाम से बुलाते हैं. ओके, बट मैं क्या हूँ, एक वेजिटेबल हूँ. सो व्हाट इज आई एम? सो कॉलीफ्लावर. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. Some fascinating facts, okay, about the plants, about the flowers, okay, about the tree. So here are 10 some important or some different facts about the tree. Okay, like the world's largest cactus is in USA. It is nearly 49 feet tall and is about 200-year old. Okay, now then, the coconut tree does not have any branches. This is the another fact of tree, that is the coconut tree has not any branches. The next is, the rose is known as the king of flower. It has a beautiful fragrance. What is the meaning of fragrance? Fragrance means khushbu. So rose has a king of flower. Okay, in this way you go through all these points, and if there is any confusion, then you ask me the questions. Okay, then I will clear your confusions. Okay, in this way today class is over, and also we completed chapter number 2 of your class. Now hope you understand this chapter, and if there is any confusion, then arise a question in a group so that I clear your doubt from first part as well as from last part. Okay, so now complete all exercise in your book as well as notebook and learn them. Okay, thank you, student.